Hello, little friends. Welcome to Bright Star Education. Are you ready for a magical adventure? Today, we are going to learn 40 amazing words starting with the letter M. Yes, that's 40 words. So hop on board our special Alphabet Train Express.
Are you ready to spell and learn with me? Let's start our magic journey with the letter M.
Look at the tiny mouse. Let's spell it. M-O-U-S-E, mouse. He loves eating yellow cheese. High up on the mountain. Let's spell it together. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. So tall and snowy. Vroom, a big monster truck. Spell it with me. M-O-N-S-T-E-R-T-R-U-C-K, monster truck. A funny little monkey. Let's spell it. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. He loves to swing from the trees. A fresh glass of milk. Let's spell it. M-I-L-K, milk. Drink it to grow big and strong. The beautiful moon is out. Can you spell it? M-O-O-N, moon. It shines so bright at night. Sweet and fluffy marshmallow. Let's spell M-A-R-S-H-M-E-L-L-O-W, marshmallow. So soft. Look in the mirror. Spell it with me. M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. Who is smiling back at you? A juicy yellow mango. Let's spell it. M-A-N-G-O, mango. My favorite tropical fruit. A cute little mushroom. Let's spell it. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom, growing in the forest. A delicious chocolate muffin. Let's spell it. M-U-F-F-I-N, muffin. It smells so good and fresh. A cool and colourful mouse pad. Spell it with me. M-O-U-S-E-P-A-D, mousepad. Perfect for your computer. Healthy and tasty meat. Let's spell it together. M-E-A-T, meat. It helps you grow big and strong. Let's clean the floor with a mop. Can you spell it? M-O-P, mop. Swish, swash, everything is clean. You won. Here is a gold medal. Let's spell it. M-E-D-A-L, medal. You did a great job today. Let's sit down on the mat. Spell it with me. M-A-T, mat. It's soft and very colourful. Splashing in the brown mud. Let's spell it. M-U-D, mud. It's so much fun to play outside. Open your mouth and say ah. Can we spell it? M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Use it to smile and eat. I love listening to music. Let's spell it. M-U-S-I-C, music. Let's dance to the happy beat. Look at the little moth flying. Spell it with me. M-O-T-H, moth. It likes to fly near the light. Vroom, a fast red motorbike. Let's spell it. M-O-T-O-R-B-I-K-E, motorbike. Beep, beep. Let's go for a ride. Look at my cool superhero mask. Can you spell it? M-A-S-K, mask. Now you can't see who I am. Keep your hands warm with a mitten. Let's spell it. M-I-T-T-E-N, mitten. So soft and cozy in the cold. Let's find the treasure with a map. Spell it with me. M-A-P, map. It shows us the way to the gold.
M is for money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money! We save our shiny money in the little piggy bank. Can you say money? Money! M is for melon. M-E-L-O-N. Melon!
A sweet melon is a very healthy snack. Say the word melon.
M is for monster. M-O-N-S-T-E-R. Monster!
Look at the friendly blue monster waving at you. Say the word out loud. Monster! M is for magnet. M-A-G-N-E-T. Magnet. A magnet can pull small metal objects. Say the word magnet.
M is for mermaid. M-E-R-M-A-I-D. Mermaid. The beautiful mermaid is swimming in the deep blue ocean. Can you say mermaid? Mermaid!
M is for mug. M-U-G, mug.
I drink warm milk from my favorite blue mug. Say it loud. Mug. M is for mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito.
Buzz, buzz. Don't let the little mosquito bite you. Can you say mosquito? Mosquito.
M is for mail. M-A-I-L, mail. The postman delivered a special letter in the mail today. Now you try. Mail. M is for moose. M-O-O-S-E, moose. The moose is a very large animal with big antlers. Say it with me. Moose. M is for milkshake. M-I-L-K-S-H-A-K-E, milkshake.
This cold strawberry milkshake is so sweet and yummy. Can you say milkshake?
Milkshake.
M is for magic. M-A-G-I-C, magic.
Look closely. Can you see the sparkles? Let's make some magic today.
M is for marker. M-A-R-K-E-R, marker. I use my blue marker to draw beautiful pictures. Say the word out loud. Marker.
M is for maze. M-A-Z-E, maze. Can you find the way out of this fun garden maze? Now you say it. Maze.
M is for meteor. M-E-T-E-O-R, meteor.
Look at the bright meteor falling from the sky. Can you say meteor? Meteor.
M is for microscope. M-I-C-R-O-S-C-O-P-E, microscope.
A microscope helps us see very tiny things clearly. Say the word with me. Microscope.
M is for Mustang. M-U-S-T-A-N-G, Mustang. A Mustang is a strong and fast wild horse. Say the word out loud. Mustang.
Wow, you did a fantastic job today. We just learned 40 amazing words starting with the letter M.
From magic to marbles, you've learned them all. Give yourselves a big clap.
To see more magic with letters, hit that subscribe button now.
Thank you for watching Bright Star Education. See you soon. Bye-bye.